Question 8 is all about trigonometry, and in the first instance, we're asked to find the length EB. So, first thing we need to do then is to try and figure out which triangle we're working out. So, we're looking at the triangle EBD in the first instance. And if we look at that, we can see that we've got angle 53 here, and directly opposite that, we've got the length EB, which we're trying to find. So I've labelled that X. Now you'll also notice that we've got this length here, 1.2, and directly opposite that we've got the angle of 7 degrees. So where we have those kind of two pairs, that should signal alarm bells that we're going to be using the sine rule. So we're going to have this length, 1.2, over the sine of 7 opposite. That's going to be the same as the unknown here, X divided by the sine of the angle opposite it. So if we rearrange that, we're going to find that X is 1.2 over sine 7 times sine 53, and that gives us an answer of 7.86 meters to three significant figures. Part B then, write down. So the Q write down means it should be fairly straightforward. We're asked to write down the angle of elevation of B from E, and in the question we are told that the angle of elevation of A from E is 41. So A is up here. So the angle of elevation of A from E, that whole angle there, is 41 degrees. Now, if there's 7 degrees here, which we're told, so if that's 7 degrees there, and the whole thing is going to equal 41, then this bit here is going to be 41 minus 7, which is going to be 34 degrees. The final part then, we're asked to find the vertical height of B, so we can turn this into a right angle. We've now got this angle here, which is 34 degrees, and we've also got the hypotenuse, which worked out in question 1, which is 7.86. So, remembering to use the accuracy, or keep the accuracy on your calculator, relative to the angle of 34, we are trying to find the opposite, and we've got the hypotenuse, so we're going to be using sine. So, sine 34 degrees equals opposite over hypotenuse, and if you rearrange that, you're going to find that the opposite, which is the length we want, is going to be sine 34 times 7.86, and if you do that, you should end up with an answer of 4.40 meters, correct to three significant figures.